Welcome back to the Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Legend of YMIR on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official website at legendofymir.com. Once the page loads, look for the Play Now button on the main screen. Click on it to start downloading the launcher setup file. Wait for the download to finish before moving to the next step. After the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the exe file. This will start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose an install location if asked. In some regions, the launcher may not open after installation. If this happens, you may need to connect to a Korean VPN and then open the launcher again. Next, open the installed launcher from your desktop or Start menu. Create an account using the option inside the launcher. After signing in, the launcher will begin downloading the full game data. This download can take some time, depending on your internet speed. That's how you download Legend of YMIR on PC. Thanks for watching.